What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Hope and today I am with my mom and we are going to be decorating Halloween gingerbread houses. I found this at Walmart. It's just a chocolate cookie house kit and it's Halloween edition, I guess. But we got this and then I have some extra stuff for it because the stuff that comes in the kit kind of sucks. There's like nothing there. So I got candy blood spray. Oh geez, let me break it. Candy decorations, and then little bones and tombstones. So yeah, this is not a race. It's just at the end of the video they will comment on whose they think is the best.
Mine, but God.
Okay, whatever.
I just want to eat it.
It's chocolate, so you can't.
Aww, there's gingerbread.
No, it's chocolate. And it's probably hard as a rock anyway.
I don't. I'm trying. I'm not a crafty person.
It doesn't take being a crafty person to open packages.
I'm not a crafty person.
It doesn't take being a crafty person to open packages.
Whoop, whoop.
Sweet Jesus. Okay. This is going to be a long video. No.
I want purple.
Okay, well, I'll do it for you because you're a child.
Yes. Oh,
There you
la,
go.
la, 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 la.
Okay.
Oh my kitty.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey!
oh Lord.
This video is going to be like 30 minutes of us intensely focusing and not even saying anything.
Have you even started yet?
Yes. Get out of here.
Jesus. Oh.
It does not take that much effort.
When you're old like me, that's a lot of effort. Are you sweating? I'm sweating.
Oh my God. What?
Nothing. I was talking to them.
I haven't even done the other side yet. We're going too fast. It's gonna look bad, so.
Oh my God, I'm gonna get these everywhere. Oh my God.
But just pour it on the table. Okay, or ignore me. I like how I've never done a gingerbread house for Christmas, but I'll do one for Halloween.
Yeah. Ooh, it's the spooky front door.
Yeah, so spooky. What in the world was that?
Look, welcome to my front door.
Wow, okay. That was the most terrifying part of this video.
They keep getting bigger.
Jesus.
Look, they keep getting bigger.
For the love of God, someone help me.
I have to make the last one biggest. I don't know why I did that. Hey, why did I make these things?
Oh, wait, you having some struggles?
Yeah, do we have scissors?
Yes.
Give me the scissors.
I've just magically been cutting open these bags.
Shut your face. Give me the scissors.
I'm scared to push too hard and break the house.
That would be the end of your video.
Exactly.
Oh, mine's so good. So good.
No one likes cockiness.
Oh, that's lovely.
Again, you know it's supposed to be scary,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
I think we have different definitions of scary. Don't look! I see you! You're not slick.
What? Are you laughing at me?
No.
Yes, you are. You're making little people or something?
No. Wait, you literally just asked if I'm making little people. That really looks like a person.
Well, kind of. Well, you could have shaped it in the... You know what? Why did they package things like this?
It's childproof. Explains why you can't get into it.
Oh, it's got little coffins, too.
Little coffins? Tombstones.
Or tombstones.
I said that 1,000,000 times. Ew. Blech. It smells like straight up cough medicine. It smells like nasty cough medicine. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Blech. I tasted it a little bit.
Cough medicine?
Yeah, don't recommend. Get! Oh no!
Mm-hmm.
I think mine is completed. Yeah, and it sucks. How easy are these to split in half?
Really?
Pretty easy.
This is how I'm looking at you.
Okay. That's... Okay. I'm making mine look scary, not like a child did it. No tea, no shade, just facts.
Really?
Do you even know what any of that sentence means?
Yes, I do. Thank you very much. For watching Jeffree Star.
That was the best response you could have had.
Can't relate.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh. Well, that's cute. Oh, I like it. Oh, something else on the chalkboard.
This icing doesn't stick to anything.
No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. You just got to know how to use it.
No, it does. Yes, it does.
Where's my cell phone?
I'm recording
Oh.
off it.
You will not put that
Yes,
on there.
I 100%
No, you
am.
won't.
Yes,
No,
I
you won't.
100%.
No, you won't.
You literally can't stop me.
Ooh, kind of hot flash.
It's because you're nervous because I'm going to do better.
No, it's because I'm old and at that stage where that happens.
Explain, like, what's on there and everything.
It's a scary gingerbread house.
It's actually chocolate, but okay.
It's a scary chocolate gingerbread house.
It's not gingerbread.
It's a scary house. I know how to do these things. I've never done this before. Look.
Wow.
See the bats? See? Yeah, flying up. They're flying up. Look. See the bats? And then, voila! Hello! Hello, everybody. Hello.
That's literally not scary at all. It's supposed to be a scary place. Mine, on the other hand, is actually scary. You haven't seen the back yet, but you're about to. Okay, so I'm scared of sticking my arm in the
Goo.
Yeah, so we're gonna... Alright, so the front, I have just like the normal looking front, but with like little... with little bones up here, some blood at the door, and then the address is 1313 because that's the unlucky number. And then on this side, I have 2 gravestones for Freddy Krueger and Jason Voorhees. And then on this side, I just have one that says R.I.P. And then one for Michael Myers. And then on the back, we have a nice, I don't know, just blood and bones. And then it says, they are watching, get out and run. And then just the roof, which is looking cute. Leave in the comments below who you think did better. Obviously mine. This isn't pretty. It's supposed to be whose is the scariest. So leave a comment below. Okay, you really want to try comparing that to this? Try again. But Leave a comment below whose you think was... Are we done? Leave a comment who you think was the scariest. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. Check out my merch in the description below. Also, check out the link to Teen Hearts. They're a company that I'm working with, and you can get 15% off with my code. But yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a great dance.
He did the mash.
It was all in the flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster.
Is this recording?
Yes, it is already recording.
Oh, you're not putting this stuff on, are you?
Probably not.
Okay.
My God, Jesus Christ, help me. Alright. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a long video.
Oh, I have my shirt on. Shouldn't I change? Look, I got...
Go put a black shirt on because it's a Halloween video.
God.
How about that? We look like the most emo. It's a Halloween video, so that's okay. I love all the alcohol in the background too. It's just a nice touch. I'm 21. It doesn't matter. It's not like I'm a 10-year-old with a bunch of alcohol in the background.
Okay.
Anyway.
Don't you say your mom's an alcoholic or no. Okay.
Are we ready?